Hey, this is Warren with IJustWannaRide.com, and my daughter just bought a new helmet. She bought the Airflight by Icon in inky blue. So let's open it up and see what's inside this box. Well, it is kind of a fancy box. It's got a cool inner lid to go with the outer lid we just looked at. It has some paperwork, sticker, owner's manual. So it's got all kinds of little goodies there. So let's go ahead and take the zip one out. Alright, the helmet does come with a cover. Not all of them do, but this one did. It's got the nice little D-link to catch it. I didn't get it far enough. And it is a fancy helmet. Check that out, inky blue. The outer shell's polycarbonate with fiberglass. The inside of it is what Icon calls their Hydroglide. Oh, this is not a modular. Or is it a modular? Oh, so this is a full face helmet, not a modular. Has a standard D-link versus the the clips. Standard normal American D-link for that. Looks like it's extremely well padded inside. It has 4 intakes. There's 2 on the top. I guess there's 2 on the chin, although you only see one there. And then it has a couple exhaust ports in the back to let the air flow through. Now it does have a drop-down visor. Now I gotta find where the little switch is for it. And well, we'll put it on my daughter's head in a minute, and we'll see where the drop-down visor actually is. I don't see the switch for it. It should be right around there. Oh, it's way back here. So this one comes with a blue drop-down visor. I do know that the exterior visor comes in a variety of colors that you can purchase separately, like chrome, silver, and mirror. Yeah, if you really want a mirror, that'd be good, but you gotta be careful with some of those. Once it starts getting dark, they can be harder to see through. And the inner shade, drop-down shade, comes in a variety of colors as well. So I'm gonna take the camera and I'll switch it around, and my daughter's gonna put it on her head for the very first time. So Erin's putting her new helmet on for the first time. Seems to fit pretty well. You got the drop down, you got the big screen. Now this helmet is DOT and ECE certified, but it's not Snell. And right there's your DOT certification right there in the back. And oh, turn back around here. And it does say Airflight Inky right over top of the octopus. So she got this on sale at Myrtle Beach. We were down there on a mini vacation, and we were at a Harley dealership, the Flying Iron Harley dealership in Rocky Mount. And she saw this, and it was on sale, so she thought she needed to buy it, and she did. So I want to thank you all for watching another video at IJustWannaRide.com. And probably in a few weeks, we'll do a follow-up video on how well this helmet fits her over a little bit of time, and we'll let you know how it goes. Thanks for watching.